Welcome to the future of productivity. We're counting down 10 essential AI tools everyone should be using in 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer optional. It's the key to working smarter, not harder. Let's look at the must-have tools for the year ahead. Starting our list at number 1 is ChatGPT, the groundbreaking conversational AI. Use ChatGPT to ask anything, get instant answers, and draft emails, essays, or any text instantly. Next up is Claude AI, recognized for its exceptional handling of massive text inputs. Claude is the best AI for processing long documents, performing in-depth analysis, and ensuring safe, context-aware conversations. Moving to number 3, we have Gemini, Google's powerful AI assistant. Gemini is seamlessly built into your phone and integrates directly with all your favorite Google applications for quick, on-the-go assistance. At number 4, we feature Canva AI, revolutionizing graphic design for everyone. With Canva AI, you can design stunning social media posts, videos, and professional presentations in mere seconds, even with zero design experience. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Perplexity AI, the search engine powered by artificial intelligence. Perplexity lets you search the web with AI, providing direct answers complete with verifiable sources, ensuring you get accurate information fast. Number 6 brings us to Midjourney, the premier tool for text-to-image generation. Unleash your creativity by simply typing a description to create beautiful, high-quality AI images instantly. At number 7, we highlight Notion AI, bringing artificial intelligence to your workspace management. Notion AI helps you write notes, summarize lengthy meetings, and manage your tasks more efficiently using intelligent automation. Coming in at number 8 is ElevenLabs, the leader in realistic voice generation. Convert any text into a realistic human voice in virtually any language for podcasts, videos, or accessibility features. Our second to last tool at number 9 is Runway AI, transforming video creation. Runway AI allows you to create and edit compelling videos using just simple text prompts, making complex video production accessible to everyone. Finally, at number 10, we have Google NotebookLM, designed for deep document interaction. Upload any document and chat with it using AI to quickly extract information, summarize, or analyze content. Start using AI and work smarter, not harder.